Certain time there was multiple 911 calls about a creature breaking into people's houses. Appearance of said creature: tall, skinny, black with white patches on its ears, stomach, legs, arms and tail, red eyes and sharp teeth. Don't know if said creature is dangerous at this time. This EAS alert system is a recap of what's happening in America right now. Said creature is dangerous. I repeat, said creature is dangerous. Please stay inside. Every single house that has been broken into, every single person is dead and all the children are missing. Every single victim is queer or supporters of queer people. Police are going to look more into this, but for now you have to stay inside. If you see the creature outside your window or enter your house, please use protection of all cost. Scientists have discovered what creature it is. It is a black-faced hetero cat, a species of dangerous cryptid. We fear there's going to be more of them. Says here we got some good news. There's another report of another cat-like creature. And it's the rainbow-faced version of the creature, are mostly harmless and wouldn't harm another living thing. That's good for us. We're so sorry about that. Don't listen to the creature. You guys don't deserve to die.